everybody. I'm here today to explain to you how Kangacoach works. Sometimes you're sad, you don't know something, or you're in need of advice. You'd like to learn something, but you don't know how to start. I have a tip for you. Take a look at Kangacoach. Here you'll find coaches for every topic. Extra tuition, languages, job-related stuff, your life, your hobbies. Here you'll find an excellent coach, no matter what you need. Select one that suits you and book for an hour. It won't cost a fortune. Your coach helps you for 55 long minutes, answers your questions, and gives you personal advice. They'll explain things to you. They'll train you. After the hour, you have certainly made a big leap forward. It's always a good feeling when you finally know more or you're able to do something. I wish you a lot of fun and success on Kangacoach. Goodbye for now. We'll see each other on Kangacoach.